Hey Ariba, have you heard about the Vedic period of India?
Vedic period? What is it, Nancy?
The Vedic period is the time of era when the Vedas were written.
How were the Vedas written?
For your query, I would like to call our young ones of class 4th for explaining the two topics, the rise of Vedas.
Hello everyone, today we will take you through our fascinating journey, the rise of the Vedas. Bushra, have you ever thought about how the Vedas came into existence? Not really, Priyanka. What's the story behind the Vedas? Well, the Vedas are ancient, sacred texts of India and their rise is quite fascinating. They are among the oldest literary composition known to humanity. वेदों का समय आधुनिक भारत के बोलचाल के साथ साथ ईसा पूर्व 1500-1200 ईसा पूर्व के दौरान था। वाह, सच में? लेकिन ये कैसे हुआ? The Vedas were orally transmitted generation before being written down. The sages known as rishis play a crucial role in this transmission. ऋषि वो कौन होते हैं? ऋषिज were wise and enlightened individuals who sought knowledge through meditation. They received revelation and insight which they then transmitted to their disciples orally. क्या तुम जानती हो कि वेद कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? Yes, I know the Vedas are divided into 4 main calculations. Main? अब मैं क्या बोलूं? अब तो मेरे दोस्त ही बताएंगे। पूरा बताओ। वेदों का महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है क्योंकि ये हिंदू धर्म के आधार को छूने वाले हैं और विभिन्न यज्ञ, उपासना और धार्मिक पद्धतियों का स्रोत हैं। Absolutely, the rise of Vedas shaped our cultural landscape we see today. Thank you. With this presentation, we come to the end studying. The Vedas take us one step closer to our cultural and religious heritage. Thank you.